In this session, we'll cover the Quick Sort Wizard. The Quick Sort Wizard allows users to create more complex sorting mechanisms than a basic sort through a simplified interface. To demonstrate this, we're going to use the sales metric to perform a quick sort from low to high. Opening up the advanced sorting dialog, we can see the settings in a more sophisticated tool. The dialog exposes numerous capabilities to drive complex sorting schemes. However, setting up a more complex sort scheme can be simplified for many use cases through the Quick Sort Wizard. Let's open up the Quick Sort Wizard and choose what we want to sort by. In this case, we will first sort by the returns metric from low to high, and then sort by manufacturer name in reverse alphabetical order. We'll click Preview and see the effect in the background with our new sort scheme. This is a good example of a basic sort by, then by mechanism. Opening the advanced sort dialog, you can see the same scheme implemented, with the sort by setup and the then by setup. You'll notice that the sorting has been done by drop zone rather than the classic chip approach. Let's now change the sort scheme. In this step, we'll do a primary sort by returns, but instead of manufacturers, we're going to instead do a subsequent sort using another metric, quantity, to resolve equivalent return values. In this example, manufacturers are sorted by returns first, low to high. Then, manufacturers with an equivalent 34 returns are now ordered by quantity from high to low. This is a good example of a double numeric sort. Let's remove the sort scheme and add a second hierarchy to our query, product color. First, we'll repeat the previous sort scheme with the Quick Sort Wizard, sorting by returns low to high, and then sorting by quantity high to low. If you look at the preview, you can see that every color manufacturer combination row is sorted. Across the entire grid, all rows and their returns are sorted from low to high. And when there is an equivalent return value, the rows are sorted by quantity high to low. Now, if we change the scheme into a nested sort, you can see that all the colors are sorted as a group, and then all the manufacturers within them are sorted by each color grouping. Colors are first sorted by returns low to high, and within each color the manufacturers are also sorted by returns low to high. However, when there are ties, quantity is used to drive the order high to low. So you can see for the multicolor element, there are multiple manufacturers with returns of 2. This listing of manufacturers is sorted high to low using quantities from 67 to 55, 50, and ultimately 46. This effect is done independently for each color, such that the manufacturer list per color is different. And if we open up the advanced sort dialog, we can see the exact same setup. In the next example, we'll add the gender hierarchy to the columns. We will repeat our previous sort scheme in the rows. Notice that because we have a hierarchy on the columns, we can actually pick which column exactly is going to drive our sort. So here we can choose quantity for males and sales for females. Next, we can also sort the columns. So let's order the columns by gender using a reverse alphabetical sort, making males first before females. We'll see the effect again in the advanced sort dialog, with a sort by, then by for rows, and a separate sort for the columns using the labels of gender. The Quick Sort Wizard is also available in Present, allowing users to apply the exact same sorting mechanics directly from inside a running presentation dashboard. This makes it very convenient and much easier for less technical users to access smart sorting schemes, even if they don't have access to Discover Pro.